numerous problem to solve. So if you are the entrepreneur, confidently we can start.
Okay. Hold on. I realized I didn't switch on the light. Hold on. Yeah, sorry. Good. Anybody else? Should we look at the boards, Girish?
Yeah.
Group wise? Okay.
Yeah, let's look. So
let's look at agriculture back.
Yeah. If anyone from the agriculture group can share their boards, I think this time we can request the participant. Anyone from any one group member from their team can share.
Okay.
Please go ahead. We can see your screen now.
Go up. What is the nature of the problem? Involvement of middlemen, brokers in the supply chain. What is the problem? See, the farmers are not getting market price for their crop. That is the problem. Who's sharing?
Sushma ji.
Yes, sir.
Sushma?
Yes, sir.
Problem क्या है?
Problem is the involvement of the brokers that we have given. Problem is like okay.
Problem क्या है?
Problem is like now farmers are not getting the market price.
Exactly. That is the problem. Okay. So their problem वहाँ पे है.
हाँ.
उसको आप इंटरचेंज कीजिए.
Okay.
Involvement of middlemen is the problem is your why. And again, it's not a why, it's your assumption of the why.
Yeah, right.
Correct? ये validate करना है. The middleman also plays other roles.
हाँ.
Okay, but good.
We can do that.
Yeah, that's okay. Who has the problem? Problem is farmer and for the consumer. Okay, but यहाँ पे farmers not getting market price for the crop. How is it a problem for the consumer?
Even for the consumer also, they cannot by the introduction of middlemen, they will sell that product to the higher rates.
Okay, they will sell it higher. But अगर farmer को market price मिलेगा तो फिर it will come reduce. The prices for the consumer will reduce. Is what you are saying?
Yeah, right. If it is from the farmer, then the price will get reduced.
हाँ, तो who has the problem? Farmer and consumer.
Yes.
Okay,
yeah.
Fair enough. That's what you are saying. I am not contesting the your ideas. I am only contesting the process of design thinking. Remember that. Okay. I don't know. Essentially, I don't know only the problem, and that's the stance I'm going to take. I don't know the problem. What I'm saying, what is the process of your thinking? आप सोच कैसा रहे हो? When and where does the problem occur? During harvest time, okay. In the agricultural market, APMC. Okay, good. How is it solved today? Group of farmers selling products in society. Okay, they're coming to urban areas and selling it. Minimum support price for the crop. Very good. Farmers are to be trained so that they can sell. This is a solution.
Yeah, this is a solution.
Solution यहाँ पे नहीं रख सकते हैं. अब तक तुम आए ही नहीं वहाँ तक.
It has to be an existing solution. Like, how is it solved currently today? I think that's the
not
question.
For the future solution. अभी क्या? Do you think there are some farmers who are trained so that they can sell crops using technology? Is that what you're trying to say here?
Yeah. If they got trained to that, they can do it through technology. Or if
no, they can do is a different story. Abhi are some farmers trained?
Yes, sir, I'm not able to hear.
No, they can be trained is one story. Are some farmers trained today?
Yeah, it is there. It is training.
Okay, good. I also know. Just rename that. Okay.
Farmers are trained, you can say, instead of are to be
some
trained.
Some farmers are trained.
Are trained.
Some farmers. Most farmers are not. Farmers to create the weekly market where they are selling crops. Some farmers create weekly market, उसमें भी संभार डालना है तुमको. Some markets, some farmers create weekly markets where they are selling crops. Okay. दूसरा क्या है? Establishment and government of sufficient number of AMCs. ये सब तुम solution में गए हो. Establishment and sufficient number of AMCs. Where AMCs are working, APMCs are working. Sorry, APMCs are working. Is the situation better? Is that a solution?
Yeah, right. It's like
Okay.
yeah.
So some APMCs, some good APMCs.
If it is a good APMCs are established from the government, then it will be a good solution.
Yes. जो अगर going to be नहीं, अभी तक हम solution में मुझे अभी are there some good APMCs there?
Yeah, it is there.
बस लिखो some APMCs.
Yeah, few are there.
बस वो few APMCs लिखो. Few APMCs remember this is a big problem. सुषमा,
Yes, sir.
तुम लोगों ने ना बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम चूज किया है.
Yes, sir. I know.
Okay, now to solve such a big problem, you really need to know the system. Okay, no problem. No, it's okay. We are not bothered about that. I'm just saying the narrower the problem, easier for you to resolve the problem. For example, if I were to say farmers in Mangalore are not getting this, then it's a completely different story. Okay. Because you localize the problem. The more you localize the problem, the easier it is.
Okay.
To resolve it. Okay. अच्छा, मेरे को ना आपको ये दिख नहीं रहा, मेरे को आपने नेक्स्ट वाला लिखा. What are users complaining about current solution?
If you can just zoom in, you can just
zoom in. Can you zoom in?
You just have to scroll in on your mouse. No.
1 second.
You'll have the roller on the mouse, no? You can just you can do that also.
If productivity in
This is for 1 second. Something is happening.
escape. इसको डिलीट करना होगा आपको. अच्छा, ये 1 का वो 1 है क्या? ऐसा है?
For first one.
हाँ, पहले वाला पॉइंट क्या था, मेरे को दिख नहीं रहा है.
Group of
farmers selling products in society. उसका प्रॉब्लम क्या है?
If productivity is large in size, then it will be a problem for the farmer to sell.
समझा नहीं?
If the harvest size is too much, then it becomes a problem to sell.
Got it. इतना volume उसको मिलेगा नहीं.
That's what you're saying, Sushma ji?
Yeah.
Good.
Size is
Good.
high.
Very good. Next. Second, not sure. It is fixed from the government end. Okay.
Yeah, minimum support price.
Third one is poor network connection and literacy. Okay, go next. On a daily basis, products may not be available. Good.
And
Establishment का तुम्हें लिखा नहीं है.
Yeah. Our time is up. That is what.
नहीं, तो simple है कि very good. This is excellent. Okay. Now what you have to do next is interview few farmers.
Okay.
And interview few consumers. Okay. Interview few farmers, interview consumers. All the interviews have to happen before 9:30 tomorrow.
Okay. But whether
Okay.
we should tell the solution, these are the solutions we are giving to that.
No solution. You are just understanding whether the assumptions you have put here correct है क्या नहीं है.
Hmm.
तो तुम फार्मर से फोन करोगे तो बोलोगे अच्छा हमको लगता है कि ये तुमको प्रॉब्लम क्या है.
Farmers are getting less price, market price.
हाँ, स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दैट तुमको जितना पैसा मिलना था उतना नहीं मिलता. यू आर नॉट गेटिंग दी प्रॉपर वैल्यू फॉर योर प्रोडक्ट्स. These are assumptions. Do you think this is right?
Okay.
Then we talk. Yes, it is right. I go here, I don't get it. Sometimes I don't get it. So he will start seeing a pattern. ये भी 100% sure जरूरी नहीं है. जब crop, let's say, crops generally have not done well. Okay, but this particular farmer crop has done very well. He will suddenly get a very good price for the product.
Yeah.
So don't assume that is always the case. So talk to him. Achha, then what do you do? So your basically job is to interview, validate the assumption, ask what does he do, and say what does he want. You are asking a solution from him. You are not providing him a solution. But what would you actually like doing? And when you are interviewing, watch out for what difference between what he says, what he thinks, what he's thinking, what is feeling. Okay, ये तुमको ना एक you have to watch out for him when you're interviewing. वो बोले he's saying something else but telling something else, or thinking something else. Okay, sometimes they are saying very strong narrative. जब सच से आदमी बोलता है, it becomes when authentically people are sharing, there's a power in it. Watch out for it. So you have to listen with your entire body, listen with your thinking and also from your feelings side. Head, heart and hand must be aligned. You go ahead. I'm just giving some points. Don't worry. This all comes with practice. अभी लेकिन बात करना है farmer से. Okay, ठीक है. Farmer से and what you are putting as consumer.
Sure.
Okay. I will actually also put another one user here, which is the middleman.
Yeah, right. He's also one of the stakeholders.
Correct. He's also a stakeholder. I'll also put one of your APMC officers into the mix.
Okay.
उसका perspective क्या है?
Okay.
Right, but whatever is possible you do. The more different kind of stakeholders you talk to, you will get a much more richer idea what is actually happening. Okay. Thank you. We'll talk to energy group. Energy.
One more thing, sir.
Yeah.
How many of them we should speak out? Like one farmer, one customer.
It's all up to you. We really don't have an option. But all of you must interview. That's my only condition.
Okay.
जब तक इंटरव्यू में करोगे तब तक तुमको समझ में नहीं आएगा क्या हो रहा है करके. You are asking as if you don't know anything about it. तो क्या करना चाहिए हमें? So he will tell you the solution. Wait, listen, be in a listening mode.
Okay.
Even if you think you're agricultural expert, don't give your idea. Ask.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Next group.
Next group will be, we'll start with, we'll go with energy now.
Yeah, we can go with energy. I just went from backwards. Yeah.
Next is energy. I would request the energy group to present their Nirudh.
This group finish.
Energy.
Just now agriculture finished. Next I would request energy group. Ashish Tiwari ji, I think Deepti ji, please go ahead. If the network is a challenge, I can do the sharing for you.
Yes, sir.
I will share, no?
Yes, sir. Please, sir.
No, I think she's all someone.
Dhananjay is sharing.
Dhananjay sharing.
Dhananjay is sharing.
Problem क्या है?
Problem, Dhananjay sir, can you go down?
Ravindra sir is also there, sir.
Okay.
If you can just go down and zoom in a little, we'll go section by section. Okay, what is the problem?
Basically, these are the 4 problems.
sir.
That is, yes, sir. Sir, you can.
Please go ahead.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, we have listed 3 or 4 problem. First is voltage fluctuation. Second is your unwillingness to pay monthly fixed minimum charges, and energy using renewable energy sources. And third is our problem is frequent power outages. So we have assigned the color coding. So voltage fluctuation is related with the why it is problem in green color. Nirmala sir, can you go? Okay.
Go. Short circuit, digging,
Short
peak
circuit.
hours problems,
Yes.
gap between supply and demand,
Gap.
unity power factor, right? Got it.
Utility. Right.
Utility. Also.
And as far as energy using renewable energy resources and unwilling to pay is concerned, the unwilling to pay for renewable energy resources, security problem with renewable energy resources.
Correct.
If we have installed the solar plant in the farm, so anybody can stolen or harm it.
Samjha.
So
Perfect.
security is the one of the problem. Then less awareness about renewable energy resources.
Got it.
And as far as the frequent power outages is there, high maintenance cost, that's why they are not maintaining. Then more priority is given to industry and urban area. That's why the rural area are not getting the most of light.
Okay.
We can say power. And who has the problem? Then student, shop owners, housewife, farmer, small scale industry, everybody has a problem.
Okay.
Okay.
अभी एक आपको करना है काम.
When and where does the problem occurs?
I understood it. When and where does the problem occur? Domestic uses, in pumping, in commercial, how is it solved? I don't want to go through the entire thing. I want you to do one thing. Go back to your problem and why is it a problem? ये 2 स्लाइड में ना
Okay.
आपको एक चूज करना है. ग्रीन, ऑरेंज, रेड. क्या चूज करना है?
Orange. Okay.
क्या चूज करना है इसमें से एक? Your problem is you have to be
We
one.
will choose red, sir.
Okay, sure.
We will
ठीक है?
choose red.
अगर रेड चूज करोगे एनर्जी का, अभी प्रॉब्लम क्या एनर्जी में? अरे वैसा नहीं, कलर नहीं.
Yes, yes.
मतलब whatever you put in color, no, you have to choose only one problem. If you are choosing renewable energy, then remove everything else. If you are choosing
Right.
voltage fluctuation, then remove everything else. If you're choosing power outages, remove everything. You have to choose one. What are you going to choose? Without that, you cannot solve. You went to this
Ravindra
exercise.
sir, only put one box there.
Yeah,
you go
you
with-
don't have to delete it actually, but you can just choose one from the 4.
Because I want you to take you through. You have to do this little bit. थोड़ा आपको इसमें अभी मेहनत करना है. Because what is the problem that you want to concentrate on?
So energy using renewable energy sources.
Yes.
What is the problem?
So basically,
That's
the
not the-
problem is the peoples are not using this frequently, or means it's mostly due to the security problems, or unable to pay the whatever the cost is
Initial-
required.
Hold on. Dhananjay.
Yes.
You're already there. You're almost there. The problem is people are not choosing renewable energy sources. That's your problem now.
Yes, sir.
Right.
In rural or urban,
Yeah, mostly in the rural.
so rural users are not choosing renewable energy sources. That's the problem that you have, no?
Yes, sir.
Right.
एक काम करो, बाकी ये 3 जो लिखा है ना आपने, frequent power outages, voltage fluctuation, unwillingness, इसको आप लोग आप येलो में करो, वो तीनों को येलो में करो. हाँ. Now we're only talking about the red one. Your problem, and can you rewrite rural users? अभी users, अभी I'll tell you why complain. Rural users, or let put this way, rural energy not being adopted in villages. इसको ऐसा लिखो.
Renewable energy not being adopted in rural areas.
In rural areas. Renewable energy not being adopted in rural areas. Renewable energy. So energy sources. This is the problem that you want to work on. Agar this is the problem that you want to work on. Now you have to ask a question, why that is the case? Ek to aapne pehle when I was in your group, you told me, right? When they are not even paying normal bill charges, why will they adopt for renewable energy sources? People don't have a habit of paying, correct?
Yes.
Unwillingness to pay for renewable, correct? That red mein rehne do. High maintenance cost is not for renewable, no?
No, sir.
तो उसको येलो कर दो, तो देखना नहीं हमको. See, there's a couple of other points I wanted to ask you. Peak hour problems, right? उसको तुम एक काम करो, green में रहने दो. रुको, I'll tell you. Gap between demand and supply, it is high. Unity power. I just give you a way to think. If quality of power is a problem, can renewable energy solve that problem? Start thinking like that. Okay. Abhi, let's look at the red ones. Unwillingness to pay for energy, security problem, less awareness. Great. Abhi इसमें ही यहाँ तक ही रखो. ठीक है, ये assumption है अभी भी. ये प्रॉब्लम किसका प्रॉब्लम है?
Mostly it is problem with the peoples who are staying in the rural area, means farmer or
ठीक है, एक काम करो, इसमें फार्मर रखो, लेकिन रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी सोर्सेस का नॉन अडॉप्शन से प्रॉब्लम किसको है?
environment mostly, sir.
Good. Who is worried about environment? Farmer does not care, no?
Yes.
Correct? It's a national problem, it's a global problem. So we want people to adopt a behavior which otherwise they are not adopting. Correct? You want people to go shift to CNG cars, but most people are not. You want people to go to EV cars, they are mostly not. You want people to eat less meat, they are not changing. You want people to change their lifestyle, that's not happening. You want industries to be not polluting, but they are polluting. Problem किसका है? Problem किसी और का है. हमारा सबका problem है. Common problem है. Individual users I don't care. Okay. Now, at the user level, farmer could be a potential user of renewable energy.
But sir, basically, if we paid the whatever cost is required for the installation of this sources, so mostly the payback period for this is maybe for 2 or 3 years. After that, they will be paid nothing for the electricity.
Correct.
So that is also one of the problem for the farmer as well as the people who are staying in the rural area.
So why is it a problem? तुमने लिखा नहीं, less awareness about लिखा है ना, less awareness about renewable energy. That we are covering. लेकिन if suppose what you are saying is, if the farmer knew that ये करने से मैं 2 साल में I don't have to pay that, then you are saying logically he will go for renewable energy. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो फार्मर से बात करो. लेकिन फार्मर के अलावा और कौन यूजर्स हो सकते हैं इसके गांव में? Apart from farmers, who else could be the users in the rural? Shop owners. Good.
Shop owners, yes, sir.
उसको नीचे लेके आओ, फार्मर के नीचे लेके आओ. जहाँ फार्मर है ना, उसको तुम रेड करो. So red is what we are choosing, ना, because you have put so many other problems. Now shop owners को नीचे लेके आओ, उसको रेड करो. Same logic you are going to give to small scale industries as well, right?
Yes, sir.
Now government also has presence. There is a school, there is a panchayat office.
Instead of the students, can I write the schools?
You can do it. It's up to you.
Who's in the government sector?
गवर्नमेंट, हाँ गवर्नमेंट का ना, you want government to spend less. Who else? गांव में स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्री है, छोटा गवर्नमेंट है, कभी कभी छोटा पुलिस स्टेशन भी होता है, कभी कभी पोस्ट ऑफिस होता है, कभी कोई स्कूल होता है,
Offices.
स्मॉल ऑफिसेस आर देयर, यस,
hospitals.
PHC centers, public health centers, all those things as red.
Shall I remove this housewife?
I don't know. Do you think people who are not farmers, who are individual households will go for renewable energy if they knew that they can pay same money? हाँ,
Def-
बोलिए.
So definitely it will also work for the housewife also, because if you use the such type of energy sources while the in cooking or whatever may be, this is also helpful for the housewife also in the.
ठीक है, good. Then go next. इसमें लेकिन सबसे बड़ा, I want you to do that. उसको रेड करो हाउसवाइफ को. इसमें सबसे who is your key user?
Small scale industries
Sorry, small scale industries.
and farmers.
Farmers. Okay. Go to the left hand side, on the left, एकदम लेफ्ट में जाओ. स्टार दिख रहा है आपको इधर, एकदम लेफ्ट में, म्यूरल का लेफ्ट में, हाँ स्टार दिख रहा, स्टार क्लिक करो. उसमें से एक कोई भी, हाँ बल्ब निकालो या फिर कोई भी निकालो, फर्क नहीं पड़ता. खींचो उसको, वहां डालो. गो बैक, यू विल पिक इट अप. ड्रैग, क्लिक, ड्रैग करना है उसको, आइकन को ड्रैग करना है, कोई भी एक आइटम. हाँ, कॉपी करो, कंट्रोल C, कंट्रोल V. नहीं, एस्केप, नहीं वो नहीं हुआ. नहीं वो नहीं, तुमने डबल क्लिक करके नया चूज कर, डिलीट करो.
Just wait. So this farmers also.
अब ये समझ में आया आपको, इनसे बात करना है.
Yes.
Okay, you don't have to sell anything. Don't sell a solution. Ask why are you not using it. अभी एनर्जी क्या कर रहे हो, कितना दे रहे हो पैसा, कहां से दे रहे हो, कब दे रहे हो, क्यों दे रहे हो. रेन्यूएबल एनर्जी के बारे में सुना है क्या? हाँ सुना है. क्या सुना है? You are asking, only asking. Don't not giving a solution. Clear? You have to get into their world. What is their world? Listen. When they say listening, it is to understand. Don't try to convince them too early. Go down.
Yes.
I am taking time for each one of your mirrors because I hope that other groups are also understanding how to work with a problem. When and where does the problem occur? ये problem कब ज्यादा आता है? Not using renewable energy creates, when is that problem manifested the most? When does the problem occur the most? इसका problem कब समझ में आता है?
Sir, when the electricity bill is more than they are expected.
That's one. The months which your electricity bill is more. When does electricity bill come more?
Suppose any one of the farmer or any shop owner having the bill 2,000 per month or 3,000 per month.
तो 2,000-3,000 क्यों होता है?
Excess uses. Consumption,
When
more
does,
consumption.
for what will they consume more? When does consumption happen more?
Excess use.
Got it. But when does, I don't want to give an answer. मैं बोल रहा हूँ ये प्रॉब्लम रेगुलरली 500-600 रुपया 700 रुपये का अगर बिल आता है, कोई महीने में 2000-3000 का हुआ आया, तो मतलब कुछ तो अलग हुआ ना वो महीने में तब आने के लिए। तो अलग क्या हो रहा है?
यूज ज्यादा हो गए सर।
हाँ,
Our use is
अरे
more.
तुम तो सेम ही
Usage
क्वेश्चन
is
पूछ रहे
more.
हो। अरे फॉर व्हाट इज इट यूज सो दैट द बिल इज हाई? यूसेज कहाँ पे आया है? कुछ तो अलग हुआ तभी तो यूसेज ज्यादा आया ना।
Right, right.
वो यूसेज क्या क्या होता है गांव में, कब होता है? गुड, सी समर में ज्यादा होता है।
Yes,
और
sir.
और
At the time of processing,
वेरी गुड। और हर एक शॉपकीपर का अलग प्रॉब्लम है, फार्मर का अलग प्रॉब्लम है, उसका यूजेस भी अलग है, तो उसका बिल भी अलग अलग महीने में आता है ज्यादा। That's why to understand that user really well। और क्या है? स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्री का कब बिल ज्यादा आता है? गर्मी में अगर ज्यादा आता होगा, क्या कम आता है?
in various season, like suppose in some festival season, the small scale industry production will be more. So that time
Excellent,
their bill will be also more.
करेक्ट।
We can
And
say that excess production during
excess
excess
production.
production.
दूसरा प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज कैलकुलेटेड ऑन टैरिफ। एक बार तुम दूसरे बकेट में गए, तुम्हारा टैरिफ बहुत ज्यादा होता है। इन रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी दैट इज नॉट द केस, इट्स फ्लैट। ओके, एनीवे, तो ये आपको सोचना है व्हेन एंड वेयर विल दिस प्रॉब्लम अकर बेस्ड ऑन दीज टू थिंग्स। तुमने पिन जिस पे लगाया है, फार्मर, स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्री, उसका यूजर तुमको सोचना है, उसका बिहेवियर क्या होगा, कब ज्यादा आता है, कब कम आता है ज्यादा तो क्यों आता है, व्हाट इज डिफरेंट इन द यूसेज। अगर पानी नीचे गया, पानी चढ़ाने के ऊपर बोरवेल का ज्यादा खर्चा होता है क्या? टू थिंक व्हेन एंड वेयर डज द प्रॉब्लम अकर। कभी वो वेन इज द टाइम दैट दे मे बी स्विचिंग, यार ये रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी होना चाहिए था मेरे पास, तब लाइफ इजी होता। कभी ना कभी तो सोचता हूँ वो। ओके, आई डोंट वांट टू गिव एन आंसर, जस्ट थिंक ओवर इट। हाउ इज इट सॉल्व टुडे? अभी इसका सोल्यूशन क्या है?
So basically, the farmer or the village peoples are think about the price of the initial cost. Right
Correct.
nowadays, the mostly the government have provided subsidies.
Correct.
Near about 30 to 40% subsidy has given for the farmers also. For the 70% cost, but they are also not afford for the 70% problems.
Correct.
So if we manufacture within this India, so this is from our side. Means
Sir,
the
sir.
part-
Sir,
Yes.
no solution. A
that
big
is
problem.
not solution, sir.
Please hold on.
No.
Trust me on this. How उसका आज प्रॉब्लम क्या है? आज सोल्यूशन क्या है?
Sir, now we increase the subsidy and the mostly the awareness for the people. You can pay now 70% or the 70% of initial cost. You will be get after the 2 or 3 will be get your payback amount, whatever may be. And
Dhananjay.
after, yes, sir.
You have a solution in mind. If you have a solution in mind, you will not come across a better solution. You have to drop your solution that you have. कल अंबू ने क्या बताया? You can only walk in the shoes of the customer if you are willing to remove your shoes.
Yes.
You have a solution. I am not saying the solution is bad. The solution may be actually the right solution. लेकिन for the purpose of this exercise, don't go with a solution. दूसरा भी और solution निकल सकता है जो simple हो सकता है, आसान हो सकता है, पता नहीं क्या है. Discover. Your idea is not wrong. When we discuss the brainstorming, we will bring that idea back. अभी जब तुम बात कर रहे हो, किसी को ये बोलना नहीं, और ये सब assumption है. तुम बोले 70% अफोर्डेबल है, ये तुम्हारा why में जाना चाहिए. Why people are not going is because 70% they cannot afford the non-subsidy part of the cost. That should come under why it is a problem. How is it solved today?
Because the people are unable to pay the 70%.
Correct. That is why is it a तुम्हारा second वाला डब्बा है ना, Why is it a problem? वो उसमें जाता है, वो ये डब्बे में नहीं आता है. How is it solved today? आज के तारीख में नॉन रिन्यूएबल जो यूज कर रहा है वो कैसा यूज कर रहा है, कौन यूज कर रहा है, नॉन रिन्यूएबल सॉरी रिन्यूएबल कौन यूज कर रहा है. One thing is how is it solved today? It is non-renewable sources is solved used, no, धनंजय. But अगर गवर्नमेंट सब्सिडीज इज अ ग्रेट, गवर्नमेंट सब्सिडीज आपने लिखा परफेक्ट है. ये मेक इन इंडिया ये सब सोल्यूशन में है, अब इसको निकाल दो. सिक्योर पोर्टेबल डिवाइस ये निकाल दो. ये है क्या अभी?
So this is not for the renewable energy. This is for the other solution.
अच्छा तो निकाल दो इसको. Community solar plant, hold on, or hybrid plant, is it there or not there? आज के तारीख में community solar plant, no, is that solution already there or not there?
Not there, sir.
तो निकाल दो.
It's not in rural.
तो निकाल दो, नहीं है ना सोल्यूशन. हाँ, वोकल फॉर लोकल क्या है? अच्छा वो तुम्हारा प्रोडक्शन के लिए.
Yes.
निकाल लो. हाँ, अभी हाउ इज इट सॉल्व टुडे इज एक डब्बा बनाओ, उसमें लिखो नॉन रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी. दैट इज हाउ पीपल आर गेटिंग एनर्जी नो. और गवर्नमेंट सब्सिडी मिल रहा है, इतना ही है. रिमेंबर एवरी डब्बा डिड नॉट हैव बी फिल्ड. मे बी इट इज नॉट सॉल्व टुडे. दैट इज गिव्स यू अ ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी टुमारो. Water users complaining about this. Government subsidies are sufficient for rural area. Great. Initial high cost, great, good. Traditional fuels like kerosene. अब ये जो traditional fuels है ना, इसको तुम यहाँ पे left में डालो. That is what how is it solved today is through traditional fuels. Poor services, inaccurate energy bills, meter readings. Perfect. ठीक है?
Yes.
Now what you have to do is talk to farmers and small scale industries whether what you put here is correct or not. Learn from their world. अच्छा तुम्हें renewable energy क्यों इसने? तुमने renewable energy सुना है क्या? क्या सुना? सोलर वोलर होता है सुना है? तो तुम कभी ट्राई किए क्या? क्यों नहीं पता नहीं हमको. They will tell you a story. He will also tell you one story which is perhaps not true. मैं एक बार गया था गांव में, मैं देखा कि वो कुछ चूहा काट रहा था, इसलिए मेरे को नहीं चाहिए. बट दैट बिकम्स, आई डोंट नो, आई एम जस्ट गिविंग अ रैंडम आइडिया. डोंट वरी वेदर द स्टोरी इज राइट और रॉन्ग. कैप्चर द स्टोरी एग्जैक्टली. धनंजय, रविंद्र, दीप्ति, डज इट मेक सेंस?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Any questions from your end? Can I go to the other group?
Okay.
Yes, sir. Fine, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, good. Next, Girish, कितना किया अपन ने वैसे?
2 groups we have completed. We
Good,
completed 2 with left is 3 more groups. We have finished agriculture and energy. We'll
Okay.
go to rural youth next.
Okay.
Rural youth group, I think members can present now.
Anita madam presenting. Anita madam, are you there presenting?
Can someone else present? Okay. Yeah, we have already spoken, no? But I'll quickly say,
yes.
yeah. Unemployment among school dropouts in rural areas of Maharashtra. That is the problem that you have faced. Good. Lack of proper healthcare, वो क्या है? Why is it a problem? Okay. Family profession, why do they drop out? Insight. Okay. Migration, lack of awareness regarding possible jobs and entrepreneurship, awareness of benefits of education, lack of mentoring, lack of technology, migration. Examples where parents respond either the children do labor or they.
If you can just zoom in once, thoda, you just have to scroll on the mouse. Your mouse centerpiece, you can just roll. It will zoom in. Yeah.
children do live. अच्छा ठीक है, got it. Right. अच्छा, whom do you want to talk to? You want to talk to parents? Who is getting affected? Obviously the dropout kid. नहीं, dropout kid से बात करना है. तुमने वो निकाल दिया बड़ा वाला.
Yes, yes, yes.
उसको रखना है. वो तो बड़ा वाला है ना.
हाँ सर, ठीक है.
वो उसको डालो. Most dropouts have parents. Huh? Children with wardens or guardians are actually very low. Most dropouts have functioning parents. And you are saying it could lead to crime, so talking to the area police could be useful information. That's okay. Parents of students. We also said school facilities, school administration.
Yes, okay sir.
वो आपने निकाल दिया, नीचे रखा है, देखा आपने, नीचे गया आपका school authorities and school. What users are complaining or वहाँ पे गया. Or dropout kids who are dropping out are the big ones. We should also talk to kids who have not dropped out and talk to them about their friends who have dropped out. What do they feel about them?
Yes, yes. So friends of dropped out.
Friends have dropped, but they are not dropped out. Huh? They are passed. Students were passed.
Okay, yes.
हाँ. So वो लोग बोलेंगे यार मैं इनको बहुत समझाया, सुनते नहीं है मेरा.
Yes, yes.
वो अभी पैसा देखते हैं, अभी चालू किया, लोग जाते काम करना चालू करते, पैसा आता है, पैसा आने के बाद they don't go back to school. Initially when you are 14-15 years old, 5,000 rupees looks very big, you know. So
Yes.
they will tell you another completely different story. Capture the story. Don't worry about it right or wrong. You're talking. तो वो डाल दो आप. Children according नीचे वाला जाइए. When and where does this problem occur? Unemployment, you explained to me. Agriculture season में employment होता है. Unemployment कैसे? Students go to schools in accordance with farm activity, industrial areas, school dropout. How is it solved today? Free education with needs. Role of NGOs in skill development. Some people developing mobile phone apps. Go down. School makes learning, some schools make learning interesting. Government schemes are there. कोई एक connection, एकजुट group, okay. ये क्या है नीचे वाला? Unawareness among parents, lack of sustenance, पैसा ही नहीं है तो करना पड़ता है. लेकिन ये क्या? What are the users complaining about the solution? Not generally. इसके बाद सोल्यूशन जो अभी है ना, उसका बड़ा गवर्नमेंट स्कीम के बाद तुम लास्ट टाइम बोले थे गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स, नहीं आपने नहीं बोला, सॉरी. व्हाट आर दे कंप्लेनिंग अबाउट दीस थिंग्स, दीस 6 थिंग्स दैट यू पुट?
Okay.
What are they complaining about? Free education with meals. What are they complaining about? NGOs who are doing skill development. What are they complaining about? Mobile phone applications who promise that they can learn while they are working. What are they complaining about? Government schemes. What are they complaining about? Schools which are trying to make learning interesting. What are they complaining about this particular youth group? What are the people complaining about existing solutions? What are people complaining about agricultural work that they are getting in the season? What are people complaining about NREGA work that they are getting off season? What are these dropout students complaining about migratory work that they do in small towns when there's no agricultural work, no NREGA work? They are complaining, no?
Yes.
वो इधर आना है, वो इधर आना है.
Okay.
What are users complaining about the current solution? Got it?
Right, sir. Right.
Okay. You have to talk to dropout students, non-dropout students, police, parents, सबको आपको call करना है, because your problem that you chosen is a complex problem. You talk to people, and every interview you must record. I'll explain how we're going to do that. Okay. Next group.
Next group is we have education, room 2. Education. Education
Okay.
group can now present. Dr. Anita, Dr. Tripti, Garima ji, Professor Pavan. If you can just click on the maximize button once. Yeah.
Is it visible?
Yeah, screen is visible. But, I think your screen is visible now. Just slightly zoom in a bit so that
Who is presenting?
Professor Pavan. This is an education sector.
I want to look at the problem board,
Problem board.
not the brainstorming board.
I'm not able to access it.
No, maybe then I'll share the screen. for
How,
you.
Yeah.
now is it visible?
No. This is the problem board, right? This is the.
Can you stop sharing, Professor Pawan?
I'll do it. Problem board. So, what is the problem?
Yeah, we discussed. Yeah, we discussed that, no? Skill gap between industry requirement and curriculum.
Main problem was employability. So as per discussion, we have narrowed down it, and we have identified these 3 things in employability.
Okay. Skill gap, एक काम करो, आप employability रखो. ये सब है ना, why is it a problem है? एक काम करो, आपने जो भी येलो में लिखा ना, why is a problem, सबको आप what is a problem में सबको why is a problem में डाल दो.
ये वाला सारा इधर.
हाँ, correct. Lack of industry वो निकल, ये भी इधर डाल. हाँ, यहाँ पे डबल क्लिक कर.
हाँ.
बड़ा कर. Unemployment. Your topic was unemployment in from unemployment of students from professional courses. Correct?
Yes. Yes, sir.
And you are saying that the reason is the problem is there's a skill gap between what is being taught and what the industry wants. Yes. Right? You are also saying that the aptitude and attitude of students is missing. Okay. You are saying professional education is too much accessible. Professional education मतलब?
ये जो टेक्निकल कोर्सेस है, इंजीनियरिंग MBA, ये इतने ज्यादा कॉलेजेस खुल गए और इतना
excellent
हो गया.
So more supply of professional courses. It's a supply problem. Okay.
Demand supply.
It's an oversupply.
Yes. Lack of industry institute interaction. Good. Who has the problem? Professional education students. You are saying institutions and students both have the problem, and companies. तीनों को है ना? हाँ, तो अलग अलग उसका बनाना है.
But you told you have to consider only one, so we have skipped it.
अच्छा, तो then you misunderstood what I said. Don't worry, I'll explain.
Institutions and I add companies also here.
Yeah, institution, company, students.
Yeah.
Students.
Students are already है. Students are already है.
वो निकाल दे. हाँ, students कर दे इसको. Now we understand they mean professional students. Okay, नीचे जाओ. So okay, नीचे जाया. When the where problem during placement drive after graduation. Very good, excellent. Yeah, but this is of all the things. This is where they feel the maximum. Okay.
I would also say maybe after passing out.
After graduation लिखा ना?
After graduation, okay, yeah, right. Got it. Yeah.
Plant visits, how is it solved today? Plant visits, internship, guest lectures, workshops and seminars. Excellent. What are users complaining about the current solution? Lack of seriousness and curiosity of students, lack of experiential learning of. नहीं, ये जो users are complaining about the current solution. Like for example, अरे इतने internship होते लेकिन नौकरी मिलता नहीं है. इतने workshop seminar attend करते तो भी हमको नौकरी मिलता नहीं है.
The meaning is lack of seriousness of students. So companies are complaining that even after allowing internships and workshop seminars, they are still not serious and curious. That is the complaint by companies, and this is the complaint by students.
lack of experience in learning. Okay.
Means when they are visiting companies or guest lectures are organized, they are not getting experiential learning. Only lectures are going to happen, and due to the experience, actual experience, lack of experience, they are not getting those skills for employability.
Excellent. Now go and talk to students, teacher, colleges, and companies. Talk to people who come to campuses and say for regularly, अच्छा तुम बार बार आते हो, what is your biggest problem? Maybe they'll just validate what you put here. Maybe all the assumptions you're putting here may be right, but you have to, when you're talking, you assume you don't know the answer. Okay? Students से बात करो. Students तुमको पहले बोले रहेंगे बहुत सारा, because you've been a student before, you know how students will behave. But for the purpose of these workshops, talk to people. Okay. Okay. Done. Next group.
Super. So next we have the last one, the largest one, which is
waste
management.
No.
Yeah, waste management.
Can we put them all in one? Who's sharing?
Can I request anyone from the waste management group to share their mural? Yeah.
Yes.
If you can just zoom in a little bit, you just have to scroll your mouse.
Yeah, I was talking to them when my internet went away. And then I don't know whether they could remember. Go back to the left. Yeah, what I was saying, Snehal, is segregation, disposable and recycling of waste is not happening because, so the problem is lack of segregation and disposal. No? Lack of segregation, disposal and recycling of waste. That is a problem.
Yes.
Not segregation, disposal is a problem. No?
You can just add lack of before that.
So the problem has to be clear. Okay. Why is it a problem? Lack of awareness directly affects many ecosystems and species. It causes various. Why is it a problem? Why is lack of segregation a problem? What you have answered, you guys have answered is, ये नहीं करने से क्या होता है? All of it is true, by the way, what you mentioned. Bins not named properly is also the right thing. Can you take that carelessness, lack of awareness को आप dangerous, ये SRM ने जो लिखा है, emitting dangerous greenhouse gases directly affects many ecosystems and species. It causes various health concerns. Can you take these three and put it to a corner? They are valid but doesn't answer the question. Why is lack of segregation a problem? That analysis is correct. Okay, we'll go next one. Who has a problem? Municipal workers, municipality workers, householders, waste holders such as private individuals, property owners of companies. Correct. Snehal, animals and birds. Yes. SRM ward level health officials. Excellent. ये perfect है. नीचे जाइए. When and where does the problem occur? When does the problem occur? When people throw waste onto the street. It occurs at home only as many of us are not going. Yes, SRM. Industrial waste release and the time of release. अभी यहाँ पे industrial waste and domestic waste is very big. So, but I think you are saying something else. Ratna Prasad, can you explain your point? Industrial waste release wala point?
Industrial waste are being released directly into the atmosphere. That they released directly into the.
Correct. So when they are released, this lack of segregation is felt. Is that what you are trying to say?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Got it. Okay. दूसरा क्या? How is it solved? SRM landfills. Okay. People must follow self-discipline. ये है ना. People must follow the self-discipline. Okay, hold on that thought. SRM waste diversion plans, improvement of thermal waste treatment, regular collection by local authorities, educating people about. Okay, so Ratna Prasad, I'm going to ask you these two questions, right? Educating people about proper segregation. Have you seen that? Is that a solution already there, or this is a possible solution?
In certain cities, it is being done. I'm not sure if it is done completely everywhere, but in certain cities it is done. But the effectiveness of it is not. I felt that is
Okay. Yeah, your voice is breaking very badly. Yeah, your voice is breaking very badly, but I understood what you said. Okay. Girish, can you, or Snehal, can you change this to both the points, regular collection or educating people, in both the points separately? Please mention in some places. It is happening in pockets. You want to capture the fact that it's not happening all the way. SRM people must follow self-discipline. Is it a solution, or also you find that some people follow self-discipline?
Which one, sir?
SRM, people must follow self-discipline. You mentioned within how is it solved today. Are you saying that a solution for tomorrow, or are you saying that some people follow self-discipline and they do not litter or they segregate? Is that what you're saying? Is it a solution?
I think self-discipline must be everyday practices.
Correct. But is it a solution that is there today, or you're hoping that the solution is there tomorrow?
Today, that is a concept of past, present, future, like that. That is always keep on. That's why I have added.
Okay. Some people follow self-discipline. Snehal, you just put that. Some people follow self-discipline. Must follow nikal ke. Some people follow self-discipline. So that's a solution. What are users complaining about the current solution? Complain that dustbins are inadequate for separation. Okay. Garbage collection not done regularly, which causes smell in the area and animals spread maladies. Okay. Landfills being away from their land places. Okay. Complain about bad smell. We're talking about the solutions today. So landfills are away. That's a problem. Follow, complain that that's also a problem. Location of dustbin. Okay, you can keep it there. What I want you guys to do is, because it's a bigger group, and we had initially thought we will separate it, but let's not separate it. I want you to go and talk to as many people as possible. You talk to people who can segregate but are not segregating. Go up. I want to see what you put in who. Talk to ward level health officials. Can you go up? I can't see what you put up. Yeah. Talk to municipal workers. Talk to property owners who have to dispose of their waste. Talk to them. What are you going to talk to them is, we are observing that there's a lack of segregation and disposable and recycling. Waste is being not recycled properly. Why do you think that is happening? Don't give them solution, because we are going to tomorrow again talk to them with our possible solutions. Today we are going to talk to them only about what do you think? Why are you doing it? Now in design thinking, interviews are not seen to be very reliable. Technically, if you're a design thinker, you should be actually outside a garbage place and looking at it morning till 24 hours over time to see what happens. For many of you, will see there are a lot of people coming and eating out of garbage cans. There are many people who are the animals and birds are also eating from all those places. There are a lot of activity, waste pickers are coming, kids are working there. There's a lot of things happening there. Crime is happening. So it becomes a place for you to really understand what's the nature of the problem. But for now, we are going to do interviews. Is that I am going to, okay, I've already run 7 minutes ahead. But I wanted to, can you close, Snehal? This is all good. I wanted to share something for 3 minutes before we go.
Snailji, you can stop your share now.
You're talking to multiple users right now. Okay? When you're talking to multiple users, I didn't share, no? किधर गया यार? Share screen. So far. Is this visible, Girish?
Yes, yes, perfectly well. Slideshow
Okay.
करा सकते हो.
अच्छा, slideshow कराते हैं. अरे ये कहाँ गया? Okay. What are the good interviewing techniques that are used? Introduce yourself. Explain why you are calling. Don't quickly get to the question. Have some rapport, have distance between what you really want, but make them feel comfortable. Establish rapport, encourage stories. Ask questions when they start sharing. When they start sharing, probe the stories. जब ऐसा हुआ था, when that happened, they'll share something. You have to watch out for anecdotes, stories. Explore emotions. Don't be afraid to ask, how does it make you feel? You know, if they say, no, I got very angry. Achha, meaning, so what happened when you got angry? Explore the emotional side of it, right? One technique that you have to, don't ask them a question, what vegetables do you always buy? Example, the last time you were shopping for groceries, what vegetables do you buy? Last time you went to school, what was your favorite subject? Last time you saw a garbage dump, what did you do? Last time you segregated, how did it make you feel? This, because the question last time is very, very, it's like a break, it breaks. Otherwise, if you ask a question, what all you always do, people will go blank. Make it real question. Don't ask binary questions. Binary questions mean which evoke binary answers. Do you like going to school? No. If they say no, then it becomes very difficult to move into another topic. One question at a time. Don't ask a lot of questions. One question, release. Wait for the answer. Another question, wait for the answer. Don't ask big questions. That's all. And have fun. This is going to be a lot of fun because don't give them solution. What do you think if you don't probe, uska time aayega. Tomorrow we are going to ask that kind of questions. Today I'm not going to say, okay, if suppose the government increase subsidy, will you buy recycled, will you buy renewable energy sources? Don't tell them that. What will help you shift to renewable? Open-ended, simple. Wait. मैं तो कभी जाएगा ही नहीं, मैं तो पैसा बढ़ता ही नहीं कभी, मेरे को क्या फर्क पड़ता है? That's then they know that they never pay a bill. पैसा बढ़ता ही नहीं तो मैं काय को शिफ्ट करूं? Okay. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Okay. So we have taken 10 minutes more. Sorry for that. But we'll meet tomorrow at 8:30 for the meditation session. People who have not been attending, please come. you're missing amazing sessions by Resha and today by Akanksha as well. You guys know your homework. You have to talk to as many people as whom you put under who. I can see, so I'm assuming everybody is giving thumbs up back.
One question I am having here. One question I am having.
Yes, sir. Yes.
How we are going to evaluate at the end of the 5th day? Any parameter?
So the evaluation is going to be done by how much you have participated mainly. Okay. So if you have not participated, you have not, for me, the design thinking, you have not done. This is not something you can read a textbook. No, you have to go through the process. If you have participated, you have, and then we also have a quiz. And that quiz is very simple. If you have participated, you will get it right. Don't worry about that. Okay. The ICT norms are fairly sure.
The reason why in this the FDP is concerned full of practical, quiz will not helpful for answering only by the guess pinky punky like that only. So that will not be helpful. So that's why I'm asking what will be your evaluation process.
Yes, participation, and there will be one small MCQ, because sometimes it's easier to have some MCQ combination, but mostly through participation.
Okay, thank
you. Okay. Thank you for that question. Are we done for the day, Girish?
Yeah. Also, I'd suggest that you guys can get together as a group and try to cover as many stakeholders as possible. So that we have a more variety. There are around 55 people here on the 42 people right now on the call. We have, I think, 100 plus people on the WhatsApp group. And I'm sure this is quite a large network to cover the entire spectrum of stakeholders we have, right from, let's say, farmers to, I'm sure even police, which some people might feel is a little unreachable, but student dropouts. I'm sure, like, so use the WhatsApp group, use the Mighty Networks. One of the things important in the entrepreneurial journey, we talk about networking, which is a very, very critical piece. So do reach out to each other, post messages on the WhatsApp group in case you want. Do ask other people if they are connected to, any of the stakeholders you would like to interview. So would highly encourage that. So
yeah, my suggestion is to use the Mighty Networks more and use the WhatsApp group only for broadcasting. Only because that WhatsApp is very difficult for you to, it just goes up. When somebody new conversation comes, then what you also put just goes away. Whereas Mighty Networks, you posted there on it is seen, by other people who have worked with you, who can support you. And the last thing is, please put your murals. You have done 3 murals today. Okay, post your murals. This is all a way for you to reflect upon what you learned today. So a lot of concepts been, we've designed the course in such a way that you gain a lot of concepts. Not just about design thinking, but how to do interviews, how to do brainstorming, how to use Mighty Networks, how to use an online platform like Mural. How do you use a virtual space? Unfortunately, that we can't do this in real place. How do you use that place? How do you communicate, convince?
Okay,
so you're learning a lot of things.
You are telling about 120 participants registered, but only 42.
Yes.
I think any reason behind only 42?
We don't know, sir.
Even we don't know. Maybe online programs. That's the norm. So yeah.
Maybe
many supervision schedules are also there, sir. And then it randomly came due to this pandemic. There is no such period, and it randomly came actually in some educational field. Up till last week, it was not known, and suddenly, and diploma engineering exams are scheduled, mock test and all. So maybe diploma. So some in the other field also maybe some type of problem may be there like this.
Right. Also, just think about what questions you would like to ask your stakeholder before making the call. I think it would be good to just maybe brainstorm in a group or think about it.
Mighty Networks. That's a very good idea, Girish. Before you ask, suppose you are looking at what kind of question should I ask out of school children as a group, as a user, right? So you have discussed among group. Please put it on your on Mighty Networks. The question that we're thinking of asking are 1, 2, 3, 4. Your group members can add, and even people who are not part of the group could add some questions, which could be very relevant for you. You know, so use the Mighty Networks. If today and tomorrow, you have to really utilize the power of Mighty Networks. So please, hopefully you do that. And
also for people who are really looking to take their ideas to the next level and not just do it for this program, I think the exercise will be a great starting point, and you never know where it will lead to. So do take the effort of reaching out to your stakeholders. This could be the seed of some new projects that blossom. You never know what comes out of the conversation. So yeah.
Good.
So just want to share that.
Are we done for today, Girish?
Yeah, we're done for today.
Okay.
So yeah, I think should I create the breakout rooms now, or should I end the meeting? What would you guys?
We should end the meeting.
Yes, today we are so tired.
Sure.
Yes, end the meeting.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. You create a breakout room for 5 minutes.
Okay.
So, yeah, it will be very helpful to.
So 5 minutes I will create the breakout room.
You actually create breakout rooms, and it's 4:48. 5 o'clock you close.
5 o'clock I will use.
Yeah. And if people want to actually reach out and create their own groups, they can use Google Meet, they can use WhatsApp calls, they can use multiple other medium.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And thank you.
Thank you.
I will see you tomorrow. Girish, I'm off.
Yeah. Thank you everyone. Thank you. I'm just creating the breakout.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.